Hey guys, good morning. And um, time check right now is 6:30. So we are at day two of our Boracay vacation slash Christmas celebration. And I think the first thing that we're gonna do today is we're gonna go down at the lobby um, so that we could have our breakfast. And I think after our breakfast, we're gonna be going to the beach. Not that sure. And we still don't have plans for the, uh, the upcoming hours after that. So basically, we might just, be walking around again, having some, sightseeing or looking for places to visit. And also, we're actually looking for a place to party here in Boracay. So um, if you guys have any experience partying here in Boracay, kindly comment down below which is the best bar. I just want to see because during our walk last night, we were um, we were really uh, let's say amazed at how many bars and party places there are on the beach line, of course, and we really had trouble if which ones we're gonna go. So maybe we're gonna party tonight, or if not, it's gonna happen on the third day. So I guess I'm gonna be seeing you later downstairs while we eat, and I really don't know what to expect for this day. I'm just really excited on what this day has to offer for us here in Boracay. So I'm gonna see you later downstairs for breakfast. So we're gonna make our coffee for this day. So they have offered free coffee sachets like this, and there's sugar. There's excuse me. There's creamer. Oh, let's go with coffee first. So let's see if we can shift the focus down to our coffee. Uh, need some sugar. Oh, sugar. I forgot we need to boil water. So they actually provided us with boiling. An electric kettle for the coffee. And I mean, if you are to buy drinks outside, you could use their electric kettle. To um get your fix with the coffee of your choice, or maybe the what you call this, your hot chocolate, powdered drink, whatever. Excuse me. So let's see if we can heat up some water. Right? Use the electric kettle they have provided. Okay. So supposedly in a few minutes we are going to be going down for the breakfast, the complimentary breakfast of this hotel, and everything everything seems perfect in this hotel. Although there's I mean it's I we could rate it out of 4.5, and as you can see, our room is quite spacious. I mean, forgive me for the mess, but it's really spacious. It has a bed that could fit, like, maybe, I don't know, because there's four of us in this room, and really fits a lot of people. And you can see, wait, let me turn off the tracking first. Okay, okay. As you can see, this is the room. That's my girlfriend sleeping right there. She's actually not sleeping. She's watching her Brooklyn Nine-Nine on her iPad, and As you can see there, this is the standard bed, right? This here the standard bed. That's an extra bed so that the four of us can fit. But actually, if you can see the how large this bed is, all right. So it's really a big bed, and I'm quite shocked with all the amenities that they have provided because they have gym and they have uh, a bar in the pool. I will be posting a picture or maybe a video of that later also. But I have already gone there for some drinks last night, and it's actually my first time to see a shower in a hotel that's like this. Okay, it's all glass. It's frosted glass. Oh, sorry. You can see it's all frosted glass. So people in there would be, you know, the views like this. I mean, you can't be seen, but it's pretty weird. But uh, it's not a big deal though. It's just really weird. I'm just waiting for my hot water to, to boil so that we can have our coffee and maybe we can start our day already. So we are expected the last day that we are going to be here is uh, around December 26th. All right. So that's gonna be our last our last day here, and we are really looking forward to um, to make use or like make the most out of each day that we are here. Basically, already have our coffee, and I'm gonna have my coffee first, and I'm gonna get back to you again on when we go downstairs. So I just remembered, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks outside of the hotel, like the center of the hotel. So let's go. All right, we're outside of the hotel, and as you can see, they have this. Let me correct the gimbal. Okay, as you can see, they have this small play area right here. All right, they have this play. I mean, it's not play area. Sorry, it's lounging area for our floor, and this is what it looks like in the terrace outside of our room in this hotel. So let me flip the camera. Let me flip the camera for you. All right. So that's how it looks like outside of our hotel. So basically, that's the gym. That small room right there is the gym, and those are all rooms, as you can see. It's pretty large. It's actually really, really large. So right down there, as you can see that place. I don't know. Uh, here, this place right here has like lights and stuff. So that's where actually we're gonna be having breakfast for today. And I just want. I also. Uh, it's good that I remembered. I also wanted to tell you that I'm not gonna be speaking in English for the duration of all these videos because um, I'm there are gonna be times that I'm gonna shift into Cebuano or Bisaya. I'm also gonna shift into Tagalog. So I'm just waiting for our group to to gather, and then we're gonna be having our breakfast downstairs. So yeah, because the cousins of my girlfriend, my partner, has gone walking, and the other one has gone with his morning exercise, and we're still waiting for them to come back, and we're also waiting for the mother of my partner to wake up so that we could have breakfast all together. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this view because I also really like enjoyed looking at this one. So I'm gonna see you when we have our breakfast. I've said that three times already, but yeah, gonna show you that later.
This chicken nuggets. I don't know what that is. So we're on our way now para maligo ng dagat. Pero hindi ako maliligo kasi sobrang busog ako.
you pay nabitan niya?